There's one more thing that we actually need to install. Part of making video games look really good is through the use of what's called post-processing. Post-processing is kind of like image effects for your video games. This is another package that we need to download. Both the URP and the post-processing tools are mainly for artistic talent to use and make things look really solid. Our jobs as game developers and game programmers is just to be able to include these libraries for them to tinker with. You will learn about all of the render pipelines, you'll learn about level design, lighting topics, you will even learn how to use the post-processing stack. But for now, all we need to know is that the things that are making this environment look amazing are the universal render pipeline and the post-processing. So all we have to do is go back to the package manager. Make sure that your packages is set to the Unity registry. And we're going to search for post. And you'll see there is something called post-processing, and it says the post-processing stack comes with a collection of effects and image filters you can apply to your cameras to improve the visuals of your games. It's essentially Photoshop for your main camera. We can install it. And once that's installed, we're going to need this because our weapon is going to be looking for a post-processing profile. So we don't really have to worry too much about what it does. It's automatically going to work out of the box once we have this installed. We know that the post-processing profile is successfully installed when it says remove instead of install. We can close the package manager. We'll also see that our package manager includes the post-processing package down here. So that's how we know it's installed. From there, you can actually see that I believe within the GameDevHQ environments folder, if we go in here, and actually if we go into our settings folder, here is our new post-processing profile where we have settings such as bloom, vignette, and color grading implemented into our scene. And this is just basically an artistic tool to help apply image effects to our video games. So we don't have to worry too much about this. We just wanted to make sure that we have it installed so that things continue to look amazing. In the next video, we are going to set up our player.